Welcome back, Griddle, Cook, Eat, and More, and Doug's Top Dogs. Those are my two YouTube channels. Today we're going to announce a collaboration. This will be the first collaboration I've ever announced or hosted, per se. Been in a bunch of collaborations. Started with a collaboration. That's how I started my YouTube channel, the Griddle, Cook, Eat, and More. And how fitting it was a hot dog collaboration. Well, today is going to be a hot dog collaboration, mainly for Doug's Top Dogs, my new YouTube channel. And if you're not familiar with that, Doug's Top Dogs, STL, is going to be my new hot dog business. And as you can see here, I bought myself a hot dog cart, so we're going to be slinging some hot dogs. So what my collaboration is going to be about is I want you guys to come up with an awesome freaking hot dog. And then I'm going to pick a winner out of all the hot dog videos I get, and then the one I like the most, I'm going to put on my menu when I open this hot dog cart up. So I'm not open yet, but still working on it, getting all my stuff together, equipment, permitting, inspections, all that good stuff. So that's on the way, getting it done. But in the meantime, I need to come up with a menu, and I want you guys to help me out with that menu by creating a hot dog, and I'm going to pick a winner. And then for the winner, I'll definitely hook you up with something, maybe send you a gift card or whatever. Who knows what I have, what I may send, but you will get a prize of some sort for this. Now, as far as the hot dog goes, there will be some stipulations on it. I have three main ways to cook hot dogs. I can cook them on my griddle. I got the two steam tables here, so I can boil hot dogs or steam hot dogs. And then the third is I got the little gas griddle, so we can, not griddle, little gas grill. So we can char them up a little flame, get some marks on them. So that's my three ways of cooking it. Hot dog. I do recommend use a hot dog bun probably because I don't want to be bringing too many additional ingredients. Yeah, hot dog bun and a hot dog because I definitely have those. And probably not too crazy of ingredients, but who knows? Come up with whatever. Just kind of stick to those few stipulations there, and then I'll pick a winner. So there you have it. That's the collaboration. And what are we going to call that collaboration? We're going to call it hashtag Doug's Next Hot Dog. I don't think anybody's got that hashtag out there, so should be an easy one to search and find and not pull up a bunch of other stuff. Which I hate when we do these collaborations and you put that hashtag in and it pulls up a bunch of other crap that's not related to the videos. So once everybody gets these videos out there, you'll be able to type in hashtag Doug's Next Hot Dog, and then that's going to find all the hot dog recipes everybody did. So when do we want these videos out? Well, I will tell you. Give me 1 second. I need to check the dates. Got to figure it out. So anyways, my idea is I want to post them on Memorial Day weekend. So that's 23rd, 24th, and 25th. So I believe 23rd should be Saturday, 24th Sunday, and 25th is actual Memorial Day on Monday. So to me, that's kind of like the kickoff to summertime, and that's why I want to do it. So it gives you plenty of time to do your research, come up with your ideas, test out recipes, whatever you're going to do, and come up with a crazy hot dog collaboration. And then that's going to go on my menu on my next gig from that weekend after I pick the winner and source everything. But that is it. There you go. Hashtag Doug's Next Hot Dog. I want to get a bunch of people in it. I'm going to spread the word. Plenty of time. Giving you guys plenty of time, no pressure, to get this done. So you got all the time in the world to get this thing filmed, created, edited, all that good stuff, and then scheduled to come out whenever you want, and then no worries. But however, that's the end of this video. Wish everybody luck, and I hope I see some crazy good ideas, and then I'll be excited to pick the winner and get it on my cart. So that is it from Doug's Top Dogs, STL, and Griddle, Cook, Eat, and More. I'm out.